Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to unbox my Studs helmet. Before unboxing, let me just first thank Studs company for especially making this helmet for me. Let's unbox my new helmet. So it comes in a pretty decent cardboard box, the standard one, Studs. So basically, here you can see its decor, size is 570. It comes in a nice decent cloth. Also a head cap, and there is an information booklet. So let's unwrap it. You can also see that you can carry this. So this is pretty cool. You can see the graphics. So basically I bought this helmet because of the three reasons. The first is the company name, the brand name, Studs. As you all know that it's really nice company. It's a good company. The second thing was cost. It cost me 1990. There are two ventilators here, as you can see. This and two ventilators here for the air to pass out. Air will go from inside here and it will pass out. There are ventilators here also. It's written scratch resistance visor, polycarbonate, silicon, hard coated. So let me just remove this because I am going to use this helmet. Wow, this is really nice. The second feature for which I bought this helmet is the dual visor. Yes, it comes with a dual visor. So basically the front visor or the outer visor is of transparent, and the second visor, inside visor, it is of darker color. So let me just quickly remove this peel also, the second peel. So let's see now the cushions. How are the cushions? This is of quick release. The double dealing is not giving, but it is also fine. So the inner cushion is really nice. It's soft. The padding is really nice. This is of velvet. So I will be mounting my action camera on this, and I am a little bit sure that while mounting the ventilators will be blocked. So let's see where I mount my action camera, the side, the front. And this is really a nice snug fit for my helmet. It's not going to go anywhere while riding on higher speeds around 18-1900. It's really nice. The cushion is soft. I can feel it. So I hope this video helps you in selecting a good helmet for you. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you did, please do hit the like button, comment below, and also share this video. In the coming videos, I will be covering some outskirts of Bhopal. So stay tuned and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So till then, keep exploring new roads. Thank you for watching the video.